you guys, and welcome back to Brittany Allen Crafts. I have a jewelry tutorial for you guys today. So right now all I'm doing is breaking apart that chain link where I want it. So I ended up just cutting it because it wasn't worth it to me, and I did take off the both pieces that were cut. So make sure that you're removing any pieces that you accidentally cut or that you cut in the process. You can buy these little sets at Walmart for like $2.88, I think, and it comes with so much chain, and it comes with some of them come with more clasps. This one only came with 2. So I'm just gonna break apart that jump hoop, I think is what it's called. I'll have to pop it up on the screen if that's not right, but I'm just pushing that apart and then placing it onto the chain link and then closing that back up. So here is the claw clasp, and I'm just going to attach that and use some glue. Once I finally get it open, I will use some glue and attach that. I can't remember what they're called. I'll pop it back up the screen again. I'm gonna put that onto the other end where the claw clasp will attach to. Onto my Facebook business page. So shout out to BeebeeCraft for sending me this beautiful, absolutely stunning gold-plated rhinestones. I will have these up for sale on my business page on Facebook, so go check that out, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, like this video, and share it with all your friends and family. Alright guys, thanks for watching.